Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana does perform quite well at the moment. It rallied off this 27th of March low in another possible 5-wave move to the upside. What I cannot rule out at this stage is that wave 4 is still ongoing. That happens very often in a 4th wave, but the trend reversal area worked out. It would have generated a profitable trade for anybody who used this trend reversal area for their own trading. It's never financial advice. These are just simply areas where I believe prices have a good chance to turn around. Not that they will turn around, but that probabilities are on our side. For example, we had a similar situation here. We had a similar situation here. We had a similar situation here. I simply just moved it to the right. It was when it actually happened here. So that was another one. And this is typically sort of based on mathematics, based on probabilities. They are the areas where price has a good chance to turn around. So these pullback areas can be used for trading. And it did, it moved up in a wave 1 here to 30th of March, came down in 2, moved up in 3, came down in 4. The thing is with these 4th waves, sometimes you can get these, you can call them phantom highs, these fake highs. Because in a wave 4, you often get so-called sideways corrections, flat patterns. And how far we came down here, I mean that sort of it's definitely possible that we do something like a flat pattern here, a running flat or an expanded flat, which is basically an A wave down, an overshooting B wave and a C wave down. And then the 5th wave starts. But that's why I did highlight to you that in previous videos, as long as we're holding now the wave 4 low here, 23.76, it is possible that we get either a 5th wave extension, so that we're still in the 5th wave, or even still in the 4th wave, but that generally it can move higher. So as long as we're holding that low, which was made on Friday the 14th, which is basically $23.77, the imminent focus can be on higher. If we lose it, then my first view would be that we're in a 1-2 setup, a larger 1-2 setup, and we come down in a wave 2 in an ABC correction. I did add here the 38.2 fib level as well. That's not normally, well, it is a common retracement level for a wave 2, but cryptos often retrace a bit more, not always, but often. But I did add it because typically you see a bounce in an A wave of that level, somewhere in this region between the 50% and 38.2 fib level. And we should get a B wave and a C wave. But this move up here already looks more like, not necessarily like an A wave. The A wave would have been normally very strong, at least in a zigzag correction in a wave 2. This either suggests to me that wave 4 is still ongoing, or we are already in the 5th wave and it's just another 1-2 setup in a wave 5. But yeah, imminent focus in my opinion can be on higher. Now, if we take out 23.77, then we have a chance to find support here at the 38.2 fib level or the 50% first. Then we should get a B wave bounce and a C wave down. But overall, as long as we're holding $20.83, I don't see a reason to worry. No trouble as long as we hold above that level, because until then, this can still be a wave 2 unless we now crash down in a red line, in a straight line. Then it would be very unusual to count that still as a wave 2. But for now, it's looking okay, and I would prefer trend continuation higher in then a 3rd wave. And for that, I need to shift all these waves across. So it would be a 3rd wave next. We could be in this 3rd wave already. Targets overall, could take us over the next months if this plays out to the 1.618 extension here around $47 eventually, probably even higher, but only if it works out. I mean, we need to take it level by level. Trend reversal areas are working out. We go, step by step, and I think it's looking really good. But it's now, next resistance, next resistance will need to be 26.82. And I think if we can get above that level, above that pivot, I think then we have good confirmation that we're in a heart of a 3rd wave rally, basically really in the, in the center of a 3rd wave rally. That would be very bullish, but condition is that $20.83 is holding. All right, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.